colors of peach. When you get caught in the rain, and know what you are, when you're the top and in pain, without anyone, when you keep crying out to be saved, when reality comes and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone, it's okay. What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make it. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my fate, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. And if you kept falling down, then Judah given, you will arise safe and sound. So get yourself steadfastly, and you'll find what you need to prevail. What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make it. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. And when the winds blows and shadows grow close, don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face, and should it tell you you'll never fall through, don't hesitate. Stand till I say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make it. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain, and start up once again, and live one more day, and I can make it through the rain. Oh yes, you can. You gotta make it.